Alright, today we specifically talked about reflections. It's a type of transformation. So we're going to reflect pre-images over various lines to obtain an image. So on example 1 it says find the new coordinates of the image after reflecting the pre-image over the axis. I'm going to go ahead and label these. We're going to reflect over the x-axis, so that's this axis. So if I were able to fold that over, I would see that my distance from C to that line is 2, so I'm going to go down 2, and my new point I call C prime. Then my next point that I'm going to move is B, and I say, oh, how far is B from that line? We can see that it's 4 units, so I'm going to go 4 units from the line below it to get B prime. We flip to the other side. D is 2 units away, so I go 2 units from the line in the other direction to get D prime. And A is 4 units, so I go 4 units from that line. And there is my new rectangle. It asks you to write the coordinates of each of these values. So for A prime, it is back 4, down 4. B prime is over 2, down 4. C prime is over 2, down 2. And D prime is back 4, down 2. Example 2 wants you to reflect over the y-axis, so we're going to fold here. I'm going to label these W, X, Y, Z. And we're going to say how far away is X from that line. It's 2, so I'm going to go 2 away from that line to get X prime. W is 4 away, so I'm going to go 4 on the opposite side to get W prime. Here again you can see that W is 2 distances or 2 values away from the line, so I'm going to go 2 away from the line on the other side to get Y prime. And Z has a distance of 4, so we're going to go 4 on the other side to get Z prime, and here's our new rectangle. And then all we have to do is list those values. I probably should start with W. W prime is over 4, up 4. X prime is over 2, up 4. Y prime is over 2, down 2. And Z prime is over 4, down 2. Okay, example 3 asks you to reflect it over a line, and we're given y equals x. We talked a lot about how to graph that. Remember, this follows y equals mx plus b. So we want to identify our slope. It's the value in front of x, and there isn't a value, so we say it's 1. We make it a fraction by saying 1 over 1. Our b, or our y-intercept, is what follows the x. Since there's nothing that follows the x, we say this is 0. So to graph the line, we would start at 0 and go up 1 over 1, or down 1, back 1, and that creates a line for us. And from there, we want to fold over that line. Probably the easiest thing to see on this is if a point actually lies on the line, like this one right here, then it's already been reflected. So if it's on the line, it's not going to move. So let's call these M, N, O, and P. So O has already been reflected, so its ordered pair is at -2, -2. Then let's say P is going to come down here. And we can see that it is back 2, down 4, and its original point was actually back 4, down 2. So from here I said, what do you think has happened between these 2 points? And we came up with, that would be t prime, but we came up with the idea that all that we have to do when it's x equals y is switch. Anyway, all we do is switch those coordinates to get the prime value. So that was p prime. So if we look at n is back to up 4. So when we reverse those values, we get over 4 down 2. So to graph it, we go over 4 down 2. And there is n. And then to find m prime, our m here is back 4, up 4. Whoops. Back 4, up 4. And so when we reverse those coordinates, we get over 4, down 4. So over 4, down 4 puts us right here with m prime. And then here is our new rectangle. So keep that in mind whenever you're asked to reflect over the line y equals x. All you're going to do is switch the coordinates. Okay, that should help with your assignment 8-2, your reflections worksheet. Good luck.